Okay, so this is a demonstration of NextRaise. It's an all-in-one fundraising agent that simplifies the entire fundraising journey for founders, from identifying potential investors to finalizing professional term sheets. It identifies investors that are aligned with the startup's profile, provides detailed insights on their market, competitors, and positioning, helps them to craft personalized investor communications and follow-ups, and then finally, it helps them to draft professional term sheets ready for negotiation. So by managing all these key steps in one streamlined flow, this agent, it saves time through automation, equips the founders with data-driven insights and professional tools, and then it ensures a seamless and efficient fundraising process to help secure funding with confidence. So I'm going to be using this mock detail to show you how agent.ai, this agent works on agent.ai, next race. And these are like not real details, but I'll be using them for this demonstration. So let's start. Enter the name of the founder. And then it takes a couple minutes for, okay, in order for us to get the info, because the output from NextRaise, it shows you an output here. Then it also sends an output to your email address that you use. That way you have all the details ready to use right in your inbox. So I'm going to be using my email address to show you how that works too when it outputs to your email. So the next thing asks it will ask you for the name of the startup, which is Swift AI, and then it asks you for a description or a tagline for you to use. Then it will request a website. The next, you choose your industry. This industry is currently a SaaS industry. Oh, enterprise software, artificial. Okay, okay. Let's just use SaaS for now. Since I've clicked that already, the business model is B2B, right? Yes, B2B. Then the fundraising details. The market, which is select Africa and Europe. You can select more than that. We are raising the pre-seed round. Okay, we are raising the pre-seed round. The type for at a convertible note. And then we're looking for angel investors, institutional VCs, and syndicates that are interested in this. We'll be raising 50,000. So then it's going to request you for a unique selling point. There are examples that can be used here, but since we already have one that's been written out, we'll select that. In notable traction, this also has samples that can be selected. And finally, what makes the team unique? So as you can see, it's very fast. The entire process should take you 2 to 5 minutes to complete, and you'd have this. And we want to raise from 7 different investors for this. And once you click go, agent, if I could show you, okay, I'll show you what happens through the dev console. But it goes through all these details, takes the founder's name, email address, startup name, description, website, and it takes them through 4 different agents. The first one helps you to find investors. seven investors. That's why they ask for the target of number of investors you need. It finds investors for you based on several criteria that's going to show you. Then the next agent is the computer analysis and intelligence that takes all your setup data and goes in online using calling a GPT-4 LLM model to find out your competitors, what makes them stronger, the gaps that can be filled in the market, the way to make your pitch a lot more better. And the next agent helps you to craft emails, outreach emails, and follow up emails to your investors. Okay, I've gotten these investors together. How do you craft emails that can be sent to them that, oh, this is my status, what we do. We're currently raising for this amount. So the investor you get from here, the outreach helps you to craft out emails that would help you to reach out to them and close the deal. And the fourth one, what it does is it creates a term sheet based on your details. That's why we asked you here for type of investment and around. So it uses these details also to create a term sheet for you, term sheet templates that can still be further refined based on like what other attractions that have happened with you, your runway, and other details. So it does that too. Now, if you check here in the dev console, you can see the context of things that have happened with the agent, the amount, number of investors, and you can also debug to see exactly what's happening with the agent. It has completed this. It has invoked the first agent. Here you can see this to find the investors, and it returned a PDF to us. It has invoked the second, the third, and the fourth agent. All agents have been invoked, and now we have received. It has also sent an email to us. So I'll first show you the output, then I'll show you the email that was sent. So this is the output from that agent. It's ready, your startup description, the website, industry, and every single link to your fundraising toolkit, investment ready investor list, the report, outreach strategy, and term sheet templates are all here. And if you come to the email, you'll see here that we got it here also in your email, every single thing. The report was sent here. Oh, I will check the LLM. At times it does this. This isn't supposed to happen, but I would fix this before you try it again. This happens when the LLM doesn't send back the correct format. At times it misbehaves. So I usually switch between um, GPT-4 and Cloud. So, but this is an example of what you get for the investment ready, the investor list. So we have Sitcamp, Angel List, African Business Angels Network, and a lot more that are here. So you get all the links to all of this. By the time you're testing it yourself, I would have fixed this so you wouldn't have to face this error any longer. So this is a full example of how NextRaise works in calling all your agents together to help you with your outreach and fundraising process. So I hope you get to use and enjoy using NextRaise, and I look forward to your feedback and comments. Thank you.